Hello traders, welcome to episode 295 of T of Me Mitchell. You could be doing anything, but you're here. And for that, I'm quite grateful, as always. Okay, so day stream was pretty productive. We discussed what was going on with Bitcoin with the, still the potential harmonic pattern. We've still got a ways to go for to get there. I mean, not too far. Very, very close, right? So, really what we did, we had a little bit of bullish divergence that brought us to the upside from a high to low. We hit around the 38% retrace before selling off right at that 75% trend line of the equidistant channel. We've seen resistance points there, not just at one time, but 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Support back here. All right, so this trend line is very well respected, and it was once again. So currently, trying to make sense of any kind of consolidation after an impulse down. You can clearly see we do have 2 diverging trend lines equating to some sort of broadening bottom pattern, potentially for now, and it could be completely invalid, but hey man, all we're doing is just drawing trend lines the way the market might be interpreting this. Okay, so trying to make sense of it, that's all we do. All right, bouncing off some support, a support that we saw back on the 27th, 28th of December, and just a few days ago, the 10th and 11th and 12th of January, right? So back at it, but hey, not sure how long this lasts. Looks pretty similar, right? Look, impulse down, sideways action, you break down, you run up, you fail to break the 75% trend line, Who knows, man? Maybe we run up again, make a lower high than our previous high, right? And then we dump again, and we do the same thing over. I don't know, man. It looks like predictable patterns, diamond stuff, whatever. Okay, so if we were to look for any kind of potential entry on a the bullish Gartley pattern, we're looking between 34.20 and 32.32. All right, I'd like to get there. If we can't get there, no big deal, but we understand that you got to have from X to A 78.6% retrace or right around there. All right, not quite there. Okay, so one thing I wanted to talk about just real quick, and it's gonna be painless, a little bit of education. Whenever this with the patrons, and I just want to talk about what we call the partial rise, okay, or partial decline, or partial rise, whatever, doesn't matter. 2 seconds. Okay, and this is just a reiteration for the patrons. All right, I'm gonna make a clip of this to give it to them. All right, so what is a partial decline? Well, here it is. Oh my god, man. So partial declines, let me make sure my audio seems okay. No, it's not. It's not okay. It's a little too loud, I think, based on decibels and experience. Just turn this down a little bit. Oh, that's good. So a partial decline, it's just a looping pattern that appears at the end of a broadening pattern and or a rectangle pattern. All right, you can get them not just in broadening patterns like a descending broadening wedge, which you see pictured on your screen. You can also get it with your rectangles. Okay, all right, and what does that look like? What's a broadening, or what does a partial decline look like in a rectangle, right? Jeez, why is the color the same? Give me a break, man. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Boom. Now, let me change the color. Definitely don't want to make this blue, like Auburn. Let's make it like purple's fine. Okay, so here's your partial decline. All right, and that's just a small form of accumulation and rejection to lower prices. All right, so that's what it looks like here on a rectangle, and this is what it looks like on a broadening pattern. Okay, you can have right angled and descending broadening formations, broadening bottoms, broadening tops, ascending broadening wedge, descending broadening wedge. Okay, any kind of broadening pattern. Anyway, so what they do is they predict an immediate upward breakout, but are not always correct. The price should touch the top trend line. Here it is. It should touch the top trend line and move down, but not touch or come that close to the bottom trend line before heading back up. Here it is. Did not touch that bottom trend line, right? When price eventually runs up, and when it touches the upper trend line again, it usually stages an immediate upward breakout. But sometimes it may linger at the upper trend line before breaking through. And if the price begins to descend downward, that's when one would close their position. All right, that's your partial decline. And if you want to talk about the partial rise, simple. Simple. It is when you have the same thing. You hit the bottom trend line, you run up, and you fail to hit the top trend line again. That is what we call our partial rise. Partial rise. Just for the sake of everything that is holy. Here it is. There's your partial rise.
Thank you. Astonite 83-69 over OLS, undefeated in the Tobacco Road wins. Great 3-point shooting and great block. Did this as a 4-point underdog. Enjoy my winnings with a stab of barbecue.
Alright, go Tigers.
Is that a joint?
Hey, thanks so much for the $4.20. GG's, man. Thanks, dude. Sorry, man. We're just getting this done. Alright, so your partial rise. Remember, the criteria is it has to come from the bottom trend line touch, right? So you can't have like a move down and it not touch the bottom, then run up. That's not valid. It has to touch one way or another, right? With the partial rise, that's to the bottom first and then run up and fail. And of course, on the partial decline, it has to hit the top before running down and then failing to hit the bottom. Okay, that simple. All right. Excuse me. There you go. There you go. Sorry, just a little bit of whatever you want to call it, education. Early in the stream. It's whatever, dude. Alright. You can invest in yourself, or you can try to be spoon-fed, trade setups, not invest in yourself, be given the fish, don't be empowered. Alright. But big thing about this channel is empowering yourself, investing in yourself. Alright. Screw being handed stuff. Learn and invest in yourself. Okay, that's what this channel's about. Sweet. Oh god, we're back, man. Back with the thread rippers. Yeah. Alright. Let's scroll through some chat. Remember, if you enjoyed that education session, if you're enjoying the potential maybe harmonic pattern Gartley, let's go. Let's hit our targets, our entry targets. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thank you all for being here. Okay. What's up, Toshi Blue, Eric Coffeen, Luke Jones, JD, Zed Zerbs, Rick Schmitz, Toshi Blue. What's up, Bradford, man? The real Mike 78. Well, the real mics, please stand up. There's 78 mics. Which one's real? Which one's fake? We'll never know. We don't have the technology. And there's more than 78 mics. What's up, Crypto Tiger? Okay, John Legend's head is bobbing side to side to the music. Good, man, good. That's the whole point. Music is a certain BPM, beats per minute, to keep you focused, right? That's the whole point. It's a subliminal thing. I gotcha. The subliminal, stay focused, man, in the stream. What's up, MK, dude? Dan Stylus, 1G Project. Carolina Crypto, hello. Are you new in the stream? Welcome. I like your name. What's up, Devin? It says hi. ASL. H6 location. AOL.com. What's up, Brian Griffin? Thanks for the first dislike, John Legend. I really appreciate it, man. Triggered. What's up, Copper Crypto? Hey, are the lights working? Are they broken over there on Twitch? Let me know. Because I like this. It's like the sunset. I don't know what happened. When I reset my Lumia, it did that. Weird. Holy crap. What's up, Danny Armada? Let's get the fireworks going. Yeah, we have not used the fireworks. I don't think we even hit... We hit fireworks right as I was signing off, so I didn't hit them. So we actually never hit fireworks with a fully optimized Threadripper system. It'd be a first, y'all. It would be a first. BMO, sure, P. Miller, man. Hope you're doing well. Getting through the week. Tuesday is gone. Like the wind. Oh, nice. It's working. It's working. It's a green screen, man. The green screen's back. Mini cap. Hey, Dan, man. So 2 beers, 1 whiskey. Where's the marijuana? And where? You remember the Dave Chappelle skit? What did he say? 3 beers. 3 beers, 2 shots of Jaeger, 3 bong hits, man, a cheeseburger. Dan, man, you're not giving me enough, okay? 2 beers and 1 whiskey's not gonna cut it, okay, dude? But I appreciate it, though. Thank you, dude. Okay. Oh, wow, the pink, man. Dow and Nasdaq futures basically flat. Little to no price movement. What does this mean to you, or to me? The same thing we discussed, man, right? You've got... You know, we've run up, we've had our rally, the volume is receding tremendously, we're at critical fib node levels, right? Dow Jones, MK, man, look at this, would you look at that? And I was kind of like, what's the best area of low risk for a short here? Because I'm kind of like, kind of torn here, right? Okay, so there's 2 things. There's descending broadening wedge, but there's also the potential of that very, very nice downsloping channel that we're at it, okay, from our previous daily high to low. We've exceeded the 50% retrace at 23,866, but here we are, man. Here we are right at that downsloping resistance if we are to respect the channel, which seems not bad, right? So, is this it, man? Is this it? Look at the volume. What's the volume doing? We're making slightly higher highs with lower levels of volume. 4 hour. Ugh, I hate this volume thing. Dude, it just looks like, man, it's like, it can't do it, man. Now it's just going sideways. You do have some slight bearish divergence on the 4 hour, on the Dow Jones MK, man. And you're getting that, again, at the 50% retrace area, near that downsloping resistance potentially. Alright, so, I don't know, man. Whoa, I've got to mess with my, holy crap, dude, my Streamlabs alert box is lit. Holy crap. Where is it though? Yeah, I can just like shrink that a little bit. That was extremely high, man. Okay. Where is it, man? I'm looking for it. I don't know, man. See, I've already got so many sources. Okay, I found it. Wow, no wonder. It's literally the size of my entire OBS. Let me shrink that up a little bit. Alright, it's gonna be not as bad now. Next time you do that, come on, England, dude. Come on, England. Oh, also, by the way, like jar, I didn't have time. There's a script I have to type in that I don't have right now. So, for the jar, to make it invisible behind the Stream Elements jar, I just have not had the ability to do that so far today. So, anyway, MK, that was just really chiming into what you were talking about with Dow Jones, man. I don't know, man. There's divergence. Downside resistance. Whew, stalling on the buying, huh? Definitely kind of flat. Alright, anyway. Ethereum took it to the chin today. It sure did. Yeah, it was down about 8-9% before the daily close. You know, that was on news of the hard fork, Constantinople, being delayed indefinitely, whatever. So, what did we do? From a high to a low, we retraced 38% of the way. and then we sold off. Wow, we reversed our price action at our common fib retrace. That's just not that surprising. Okay, so that's why we have our fibs drawn, so we keep our eye on what's going to happen in this fib node. Is this where we will reverse our price action? Yes, we did. Okay, or if we didn't, if we keep running up, keep running to the 50% retrace, 136 and change, will we reverse our price action there, the 50%? We will. Yes, we will, right? Or no, we won't. We run up the next one. Okay, that's why we draw those fibs. We keep our eye on those because those are pivotal areas where you will reverse your price action potentially. All right, so back below all three moving averages on Ethereum. Big disappointment of the day, but the pop to the upside was us hitting a critical area of support with positive momentum, or excuse me, with MACD or lower levels of negative momentum, which is bullish divergence, class A. All right, so anyway, let's see how we bounce off. We're bouncing off the bottom, that downsloping trend line, top trend line, or the top trend line of the downsloping channel. Excuse me, man. Took a little nap, dude. I've been up since like 8 something this morning. Been working, I don't know, like over 8 hours or something on getting everything set up for the stream and all that stuff. Okay, the optimization and the new hard drive and stuff like that. So, holy crap, man. What's up, Julia? Good to see you, Julia. Rachel Rhodes, what's up? Julio, or Julio in this situation. Seems quite right. What color is that on the Lumia? I don't know. It was weird. It was like when I turned it on and reset it, it went to that color. They made some crazy changes in the updates. I've been neglecting the update, but now they have like crazy different colors and stuff I can set it to. I think I can do party lights now if I wanted. I just have to look into that. Ooh. Alright, Julia. We'll take a look at it. Alright, on the list. Is XRP doing things? That's a good question. Andy, man. Are you XRP Andy? Because we have an XRP Andy, a Bitcoin Andy, and now you're just Andy asking about XRP. So you could be mistaken as XRP Andy. Get it? Alright. So is XRP doing things? Yeah, doing things. Making lower highs than your previous highs, lower lows than your previous lows. Alright. But we did talk about this today. Quite exciting, in my opinion. My webcam blocking me here. Alright, I'm going to go to the daily on Rappel. Alright, we talked about this pretty stringently during the day stream, but there is some sort of upsloping support we've been holding on to since July of 2017. Every single time we hit it, we bounce, and here we are. It's right around 30 cents, 29.5 cents. All right, showing some really nice levels of bullish convergence on both oscillators. So this was good, man. Good to see that. And we are forming some sort of downsloping price contraction, which is that falling wedge pattern, all right? So that's also bullish. So that gives us reason to believe, we are approaching a low risk area with potential upside. A nice reward opportunity ahead of us. And if it breaks and cracks that, then we have a tight stop and we watch the world burn. We watch Ripple burn to heck, because again, July 2017, that's extremely important. You do not want to break this support. And if you do, somewhere you want to be is maybe not in Ripple if it breaks that, okay? So if we were to break, if we were to hold this support and then break to the upside, and we were able to break this downside resistance at some point in the future, measure move of the pattern would put us around 59.9 cents. Alright, if we fib from high to low, that measure move will put us at the golden retrace, coincidentally. Other targets, 47.9 cents, 53.9 cents for the 50% retrace. Alright, so XRP doing things, kind of. Definitely something to look at, and want to give a shout out to JR again, one of our patrons, who just kind of brought it to my attention, this little, you know, upslope support that I saw, and I said, hey man, let's look at this a little bit further, and we came to this consensus here. Alright, so sweet on XRP, man. Selling may not be over though, but hey, there may not be that much selling left, right? There you go, Andy, man. That was for you, dude. Okay, and others who care about XRP. Made to last touches himself. Ooh, to XRP doing things? What's up, Mike S? Yeah, I'm kind of behind on chat now, okay, but that's to be expected, right, with, well, me doing things on charts, okay. Carolina Cryptos giving a shout out to North Carolina, Chapel Hill, I assume, right? Mike S says Brooklyn's in the house. All right. Congrats, John, man. Again, dude, sorry I was stuck on the other screen. I was just in the middle of that education session, so normally don't want to like get that too disrupted in a certain area. So, Rick Schmitz, I'm glad you're enjoying it, man. Okay. What's up, Billy, man? Did you drink your gallon of milk today, dude? James of the water cooler or the milk cooler? All right. What's up, Henry Barra? Crap, man. Hold on. What's going on? Dude, I did all this cable management today. My other surge protector came in, dude. It's been a madhouse, all right? Extremely productive, though. I'm very happy with this day. Alright. What's up, Edward Park? Buzz Probst here, man. Probst. What's up, Coach K? Ultra Instinct Jesus, man. Brent Jaggers, I'm glad you're back, man. Okay. Edward says, congrats on reaching 4K. Thanks, man. Yeah, we're 4,044 repeating, of course, subs right now. Sweet. Alright. Growing every day, somewhat, I guess. It's stalled, kind of like molasses in wintertime as of late, but that's not really the most growth of a YouTube channel. Is not a metric of success, okay? For the people that want to learn and care and understand truly what this channel is about, that's what's important, okay? New England +2, Rams -1. How is it -1? I thought they were -3.5, dude. Or y'all teasing? What are you doing, John, man? What's happening? Just kind of out of context, just scrolling through chat. What's up, Matt Inman? Dang, dude. Your last name making me sad. Anyway. 50 likes, JF Airplane 50. Let's double it. Let's get 589 likes, right? In honor of XRP. Thanks, MK, man. What's up, Crypto 2 times? I'm gonna go get the cryptos. Oh my god. Oh, Probes is on Twitch. Are you kidding me, dude? Sorry, I'm behind, but dude, y'all get it, right? I go hard and then I engage hard. Alright. Some people hate that, I think, right? What's up, Krang, man? Hey, Anthony Rosano, dude. Oh, nice, man. Yeah, dude, we can look at,
What up, El Ray? Don't get trapped.
Do not donut. Do not get wrecked, dude. I think I'm allergic to donuts, man. I was like caught red-handed, dude. ate that donut yesterday, and like I look like I got punched in the face. Like my right eye or left eye, whichever one it was, like swelled up. I literally got punched in the face, and I was gonna have to come on stream and be like, fortunately it calmed down, but I was gonna have to talk about that baboon that escaped the zoo and punched Bobby Boucher in the face, okay, because I was playing foosball. Alright, y'all get it. So we'll look at it. 88. So Mr. Know-It-All. What's up, Crypto Numcon? He made it back, dude, for the night stream. Can I fix the biddies, please? 3 lines, man. I would have to get the script set up, and I don't have that with me, man. It's actually something that would require me being off stream, and I just didn't even think about it, man. I'm sorry. It's just, there's always a little thing with streaming, dude. There's always one little thing, man. There's this thing, that thing, this thing, that thing. Alright, so I apologize. I will get it fixed ASAP. What's up, Isildur? Please throw the ring into Mount Doom. Thanks. Almost through chat. Dang, I thought we were. Anyway, I'm just kind of scrolling a little bit faster now. James the water cooler is FOMOing into what, dude? What's he even FOMOing into, dude? Thanks again, Mr. Damn Man. Kangs, what is that? Contemporary Icon says Bronx in the building. Shout out to the Bronx. Fine folks up in New York. Alright. The heart of civilization, they call it. Alright, Wobble my Jello, man. You have a good night as well, alright? What's up, Dustin Witt, man? Alright. What's up, Tyler Hill? Where am I based out of? I don't know if you would watch stream anymore if you knew, dude. How about that? What's up, Rashman Siva? It's going well, dude. Hope it's going well with you as well. I always struggle on that one, okay? So, Heat Man, it's okay, dude. You know what's funny, though? Your coach is going to be our head coach once Saban retires, so I don't know what you're worried about. So, I don't know what you're bragging about. He'll be back into irrelevance after he joins the Tide, okay? Okay, so let's look at BMO for P. Miller. The Bank of Montreal. We've looked at this, haven't we? Yes, we have. Wow. Very, very nice uptrend. Very nice uptrend.
Is that a joint?
Evening, Mitch. All I wanted to do was explode in your jar. Oh well, next time. Could we look at data/USDT please, mate? Come on, England.
Yeah, dude, thanks for the 420 contribution. Grubs, man.
Can you look at ZZ and GA? My country bought it eco, sold some and have some left. They make stupid game where you farm in a ville. Haha. Death Cross and make Golden Cross soon on daily. Not much artillery above $4.50. Good guidance on last call.
Dude, I owned some Zynga back in the day, man. Dude, what was up with that lag, dude? That was not good, man. That was not good. That was not thread. That was not rip. Okay, so, yeah, dude. I took a look at it, bros, man. Thanks for the 2358. Kangs, baby. The Kangs contribution. Much love. Alright, so with the Bank of Montreal, a huge plummet in price. September 20th. Jeez, man, why is the audio so loud? So stupid. I'm just like turning it down to like really quiet because I can't deal with that. I can't deal with like randomly I look over and all of a sudden it's like extremely too loud when it was perfect before. All right, so anyway, September of this year, huge breakdown. We've gone from 108 all the way down to the lowest low, bouncing literally off that 25% trend line of the equidistant channel perfectly at 86.36. So far from that major high to low, we've not even hit a 38% retrace, which is at 94.33. 94.93. We had not even touched the 50-day moving average, very close to it at 94.23. Huge spike in positive momentum. We had no divergence. Nothing really on the market had that divergence we were looking for, right? This looks more, this is like that class C bullish divergence, which was that stagnation in momentum, which doesn't mean impending price action reversal at all, but it's to be noted at least. That's all you kind of had. The only foreshadowing you had. You were also just extremely oversold. 15 on the RSI on the daily. Last time we saw 15. Well, guess what, man? 15, global financial crisis. That's right, man. So, 2008. So a lot of history, you know, across the markets with this intense selling, but the selling has turned into a V for a lot of assets, just like this one. And this one's just a little bit behind. You know, as we looked at Dow Jones, 50% retrace. This is not retraced near as high. So anyway, you're going to have that heart line coming up around $95, $96. And then above that's $97.61. So, you know, I feel like you still have some room to run. There's still plenty of room to run on the RSI, currently just sitting at 60. But hey man, keep your eye on the macro, just like the S coins. When you're looking at the S coins, and we're just now breaking this down sloping trend line. That's a little off, but that's good though. That's still fine. Right there. So we've broken out of the down sloping resistance. So we just got overbought. Last time we were overbought was August 2018 up here. So we might be due for a little pullback, or at least a back test of the down sloping trend line. Maybe we'll run again a little bit more, but yes, we were looking at the 4 hour last time we checked this out. The P Miller, remember, man, the bullish divergence. Got the huge spike at, dude, that's nice, man. Bullish divergence on the 4 hour at the 25% trend line of the equidistant channel, the huge historical uptrend that we've been in. All right, so you've probably still got a little bit more room to run, but you're going to be facing some extreme levels of resistance in this little area here. Okay, even getting above this area, guess what's right upon you? The golden retrace at $100, that psychological resistance, the 618, the 200 MA, 99.75, dude. It's going to be an incredible, or really an incredibly tough journey cracking all this, man. That's not going to be easy at all. So expect, you know, we're just getting to the point where you're looking to see each fib node. Will we reverse our price action here? Let's see if we can. But you know, there is no real divergence, bearish divergence. So that's one thing you got on your side if you're looking to see us run up a little bit more. All right, so probes, man.
Ka.
Here's your kappa. Thanks, dude. Probes for the 1,050 biddies. Sorry, y'all. I just don't have that set up. You know, had to literally start from nothing today, this morning. Nothing. I had nothing. It was like clean slate. Didn't even have my virus protection. That was the first thing I installed. It was just nothing. All right, so bear with me on that. I mean, it's almost all the way back, except for the jar, the Streamlabs jar. So love y'all. Thank you. Okay. We'll take a look at Kappa. All right, give me a sec. Jeez, man. Okay. So, yeah, man. 88 to the USD. Okay. Make sure I got the right one. I'm pretty sure this is my most updated one. Yeah, okay. So hear me out here, all right? Let's still think we're just in this downsloping. Oh, Julia, thanks so much for the 23 biddies. All right, so I'm looking at it like this. Okay, anchor point 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, just 1 on the top. Why I chose this one on the top was the 75% trend line, the 25% trend line, the heart line, the 25, the 25, the 25, the heart line. We've now just broken the heart line of the downsloping channel. All right. But we are in a little nice uptrend for now, aren't we? From your high to low. Ooh, looks like we haven't updated this.
Thank you, 2 bits.
Hey, 2 bits, man. Thanks for the $3.33 repeating, of course. Tron Connecting Jar. Thanks so much. Really appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. All right, so get rid of this real quick. Close C is some sort of upsloping channel. Gotta be, right? Gotta be. Ooh, or is it? Some could argue and say it's, I don't know, man, some sort of ascending broadening wedge. I don't know, man. Kind of like it, keeping it like this. You got 1, 2, 3 touch points, right? And then just 1 touch point on the bottom. Okay, so just holding some sort of trend, some upsloping channel for now. And from a high to low, we've gotten very close to a 50% retrace. That's about it. I mean, that's just the Dow's theory, right? In a downtrend, extremely bearish trend. Okay, what is it? Every time you make a high, you're making a lower high than your previous high, over and over and over again. All right. So what's different about this time? Not much, man. Not too much. I mean, December 6th was the lowest lows we've seen all year. All right, lowest one we've ever seen on this chart. So nothing really bullish about 88 to the US dollar tether right now, besides this little short-term uptrend we've been in. Okay. As a Samurai, I wish there was more to it, man. There was that bullish divergence. Okay, gave you a reason to believe we might break to the upside. We sure as heck did. Did we not? But currently zoomed in. We are below that heart line. Look at this, man. This is just like Bitcoin, right? The predictable pattern, doing very similar stuff. Bouncing off the 200 MA once, now doing it again. Trying to break. Look, we're above the 200, using it as support. Above the 20, but below the 50. All right. Gotta be very tough to make higher highs than this high. We got as high as 5.4 cents. Jeez. All right, so get above the heart line, get above the 50 MA, and let's see if we can run up and hit that 50% retrace. Okay, the uptrend is your friend for now, until it's not, because if you zoomed in, whoa, man, this looks awesome, dude. This looks great, kind of, right? But then you zoom out and you're like, oh my God, this is a dumpster fire. There's nothing good about this chart. It's completely bearish. All right. Keep your eye on the price. Old Zynga, baby. Old Zynga. Let's take a look. Seems like we've charted this at some point. Looks like we had that false breakout and ran, dude. We ran. Beautiful, beautiful uptrend that we are in. And we just would not go down without a fight, would we? On Zynga, baby. They're a mobile gaming company. All right. To me, it looks like just eyeballing this, some sort of descending broadening wedge of some sort. All right, look, you just got these 2 different trend lines that we have not cracked yet.
Live TA with Mitchell Nathaniel Ray. Crypto Kai of the RSA from the Nutella Studios in Greenbow, Alabama. All I want is to have my peace of mind. W9UEO8S0 What 99 VJR9 Hawkins from Puknri1 Cope Pink. BB and Empine Green PZWC and BP Kna Pekin CPJ Simpine.
I'm sorry. What was that? I just don't understand, man. What in the world was that? Hold on, let me reread that. I don't know who Mitchell Nathaniel Ray is, alright. Crypto guy, the Earth side, to tell it, yeah, Greenbow, Alabama. All you want is to have your peace of mind. Peace of mind. And then a bunch of letters. I don't understand. Bradley Delp. Hold on, let me Google real quick. There's Bradley Delp, man. He's an American singer, if you didn't know. Songwriter. Best known lead vocalist for rock bands Boston, RTZ. Well, there you go. And something about Beetlejuice. What? Was he... Did he do something with Beetlejuice, man? Bradley, hello? What'd you do with Beetlejuice, man? Thanks for the 589. Much love. Gangs. Alright, so Zynga dude. Uh-oh, if it's a descending broadening wedge, what happens if we don't hit the top, probes? That would be our... Uh-oh, our partial rise. No. Look at that, man. Yeah. I know what you're talking about. You got that golden cross going on. Got the golden cross going on 4 hour. But, dude, after such a tremendous run, it's a lagging indicator. Hey, man, you're overall in a great uptrend. Been uptrending since 2014, man. Love it, dude. Love how we respected it. That we had a false breakout, scared everyone. Oh, no, the worst is coming for us. We're so screwed. Boom. Exploded up, all right? Into the atmosphere. All right, but from your high to low, we have retraced. Oh my goodness, who else did that? That's Netflix did the same thing from its respective previous high to low. It hit the 78% retrace today as well. So Zynga and Netflix are 786 brothers, man. All right. So 886, 436, not too far off that. Let's see if we can hit. I'm setting an alert up on this one, dude. Right around that 886. Let's see if we can get a partial rise, probes, and get wrecked. All right, all the way back down to the bottom. All right, let's see if we can do it, dude. Because we are getting there, dude. We're so close. We'll see it happen, man. Let Bulkowski destroy Zynga. Okay, man. Okay. Anyway, let me read some chat, because you know how it is. It's tough, man. It's tough managing, juggling chat engagement and chart engagement or something. All right. What's up, by gamer dude? Oh my god, man. What? Are we going to the moon yet? No, chosen one. No, not yet, man. Okay. Not yet. Oops. Great though, pros, man. Are you trying to get some educational stuff going, man? You're trying to spit, hey man, partial rise. When we just talked about it and gave an education little, oh, was it a seminar, man? Or a symposium or something, dude? What's up, Mr. Kanatomo, dude? Something wrong with them biddies? Yeah, dude, I know. It's gonna be alright, man. Dude, I don't know why they would be like that, Tsukushi, man. Alright, sweet. What's up, Garrett K? Dude, I love it. The new restream, it like doesn't bug out and like make everything go. It leaves me alone and lets me do my thing. Okay, what's up, Charles Parkhurst, man? Good to see ya. Dang, dude, we only have 69 likes. Colby, you cannot bring yourself to hit the thumbs up right now. I think that's what everyone's thinking, dude. How's Hotlanta, dude? Do you remember the episode? Yeah, Charles. It was episode 142, I believe. All right, 142. No, it was 142 pros, man. It's been a minute, right? Tim, remember we talked about this and I answered you. I know you asked every stream. So like, I've been doing it going on like 7 years now. All right. But yeah, baby pips is like a great starting step, I guess, for trading. All right, babypips.com. Beetlejuice was a Beatles tribute band, Billy Man. Interesting. Wow. Do I think it's likely that Ethereum will recover today's losses? Or do I see further downside? How about you take a look at Bitcoin? Bitcoin's probably gonna help you out on that one because whatever Bitcoin does, Ethereum's gonna follow. All right. It just seems Ethereum had a much sharper decline because of the delay on the hard fork, which that's it, man. Yeah, stuff like that's gonna definitely affect price more severely than Bitcoin. All right. What is it, Bitcoin buyer? Someone's telling you that the 50 and 200 MA on Bitcoin has crossed for the first time since the 6K drop. Any merit to this? On what time scale, Bitcoin buyer? You gotta give me some more info on that. I don't really. Oh yeah, maybe that's the 50 and 200 are bearishly crossing over. That's not good, man. That's a real bad sign on a 4 hour, but it's not as significant as the daily. But you know, we had the daily death cross in March, and everyone was trolling, saying it was fake and it was a joke, and I was like, dude, I don't know what kind of stuff they're smoking. Okay, but guess what's happened since then? My God. My allergies have been killing me lately, dude. Oh man, the motherland. Oh my God, dude, I can't even believe you just said that. CCCP pros, man. The motherland is. Feel free to 100 times short Zynga at the man. You might end up on the wrong end of a Teddy KGB Oreo cookie. Pay that man his money. That's what he'd be saying. Okay, man. Brainwaves, we actually just did ADA, right? So, dude, I just can't. I don't know what it is. I think I'm like allergic to something randomly all of a sudden. For the first time in my life, I think like, does anyone when they get older like start becoming allergic to something randomly? Because I think this happened to me. All right. At timely UL, you hope 3100 holds. Dude, well, are you in a time machine, man? Because it's 3600 right now. All right. But right now we're currently using that 20 MA as a resistance point right now. Okay. What's up, Peter Cashman? Jamie Catrona made it, man. Well, we've been waiting on you, dude. We've been waiting. We can now get the show finally started, okay? Whew. Red River Valley. Kodakata. Random things, okay? Random things. Alright. Hold on a sec. Huh. And wrecked. 18 biddies? Are you kidding me? It's cool though, the lights. I love the lights. And it's so weird because I used to have it set up, well, it was set up where if you tipped 1,000 and it was like the teal bit, it'd be the teal color would go off. So, anyway, doesn't really matter. Okay. For Yulia Goskuski. We will take a look. And I don't really know what to make of this, okay? I'm looking at what you want. Alright. Quantum, Scrub'em. Okay. Jeez, man. What are the anchor points to be here, huh? Will we go top side or bottom side? Bottom side probably would make most sense. What? Whoa, what in the world is going on here? No. You can't ever plot a channel, okay? And it mess it up. If it messes up, you're screwed. Okay. See, this is the problem. Where you, what's the touch point? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? That's why like you want to go at the bottom a lot. Okay. So So look, the moves down, the impulses down are too steep here, right? But we start getting normalization of price action, right? The selling becomes less intense, and we can actually plot things. Okay, not just this straight downward spiral. All right, still down sloping price action, but this looks great, right? It looks great. Support, resistance, support, resistance, 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 resistance. Dude, it's perfect. Okay. Oh man, you're gonna love it though. The sweet spot when you get them, it just feels so good. All right. So, fibbing pretty much. Probably gonna be from this side. Ran up close to that 50% retrace, got it at 38%. And really in the short term, what was it that you were looking for, Julia? What is it? I see some sort of horizontal line support right here. This is kind of like Ethereum did the same thing, right? It hit that horizontal line support and bounce, but all it's doing is just, geez, man, nothing, right? Just lower highs, right? Lower highs and the same low. I get it. Oh, okay. I see what you're looking at. You're looking at a little bit of bullish divergence on both oscillators. Right. Okay. So I see that now. Okay, but you just got a death cross. You're just having a tremendous amount of issues making higher highs, right? You're just making a lower high, lower high, lower high every freaking time. So, yeah, this might be an opportunity, but where are you gonna, what is your target gonna be in this situation, right? Making such a, with just so many resistance points above us, like, where is it? Is it gonna be here? This is probably where it's going to be, and this is not going to yield you a very nice reward, right? You're just like, there's just so many areas where we could crap out. Not very ideal, right? Because this could be just some sort of range bound thing. If you're looking at a range trade, look, I mean, I could plot all day these different areas of resistance, but look, you could crap out here. I mean, it's very, very choppy, Julia. Not, you could, you know, you're going you want to go skiing, right? Go water skiing. You want to go water skiing with white capping, right? You go water skiing when the conditions are pristine and it's like glass, right? There's how much glass here is there's a lot of white caps. Okay, so if you're gonna do it, probably this is your best bet, right? Something like this. Okay. There you go, Julia. Range bound, somewhat. Okay. And if it fails, who cares? It fails, that's it, dude. So, there you go. Let me know if that helps. So that's the best I could do with this thing. All right, with the bullish divergence. That's it. That's it. Okay, but here's your death cross. Unable to break above the 200 MA, right? Multiple times. Ugh. Not very hot. Yeah, there's your quantum. Sorry, gonna get through some chat again. Do it again. Been live now for, wow, 1 hour. If you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Appreciate it. What? Randy Schulz, are you in Siberia right now, man? How do you have do people have internet in Siberia? Does anyone know this? Jack Brown, if the euro collapses this year, yeah, crypto might have a good time, because think about Russia, right? Trying to get all up in on crypto, right? Yeah, that could be, that can create, that could be a nice catalyst for crypto. Yes. Doge will take us to the promised land, says Tomley UL. Yeah, maybe so, man. Maybe so. Dude, a gallon of buttermilk, that sounds as bad as a gallon of Vegemite, or as some people call it, Vegemite, on TTS. All right. Where's the closest Whataburger? Is there one in Greenbow? Yes, there is a multitude of Whataburgers in Greenbow. All right, Billy man. People aren't going to get morbidly obese here by themselves. All right. Whataburgers are just insane. Why, Randy, man? Why? Okay, here we go. Crypto Cotter says, my home's in Montana. I wear a bandana. My spurs are of silver. My pony is gray. While riding the ranges, my luck never changes. With my foot in my stirrup, I gallop for A. You gallop for A. All right. Excellent, dude. Is Whataburger IRL or anime? It's anime. It's anime. It's anime. Just can't tell me. All right. What's up, Matt Mortensen? Divergence. That's right, Julia. That's right. Whew. Cotterburger, Crypto Cotterburger. Yeah, dude. Electricity is extremely cheap in Siberia, so we should all start mining cryptos in Serbia. All right. Winnipeg, Canada has the same temps. Hey, so a little bit more freedom, but with the same temperature. Perfect, man. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. I've always wanted to go somewhere really, really frigidly cold, just for a little vacation, right? It'd be fun. Oh, Julie, thanks for 33 biddies. Thanks. What's up, Parl? Much love. Good to see ya. Holy crap. Alright. Excuse me. Alright, man. Another one. Good lord, this thing went lit. What is that? Oh my god, man. Huh. This one's stumping me a little bit. Alright. We're just gonna look at it together. Walmart. Alright. A little stumped here. Go to the weekly so we can check it out. And this was what is ridiculous about Walmart. Okay, look at this, man. Just supreme performance since the inception. It extends all the way back to 1972. All right, the golden years. All right, but here we are at the top of a huge upsloping channel, making a lower high than our previous high. Well, we don't get lower highs very often, do we? But we had this nice little uptrend, and then we broke out extremely high too fast and just dumped with the bearish divergence on the weekly. Fell back down to the heart line of that channel that we had broken out of, and then bounced off that. Ran up, then back tested the trend line of the channel, used it as support, and then ran one more time to make a lower high than our previous high. But as you can see, we had that weekly bearish divergence again from August of 2018 to November of 2018. It was there. It was there. But only on the MACD, not on the RSI. All right. Excuse me, hold on. So yeah, and you didn't get it here either. You only got the MACD. Bearish divergence on both huge peaks like that, alright? So what are you asking? Is it, hey man, is it a coupled handle? Probably not, man. And you know your coupled handles, you normally want to have a higher high. And coupled handles normally want to come after it moves down, right? Like you had to move up and then you broke down and you created this. Alright. So I don't know, I mean, like, I get it, but the beauty is, look at the weekly bullish engulfing candle we got, and that was Christmas, right? The Christmas time. So nice rally, breaking, but we broke both the 50-week moving average, now cracking, wow, cracking that 20-day moving average. And remember, We haven't adjusted. We've left it alone. And we're about to be cracking, if we're lucky, could be cracking that top trend line of the huge historical channel that goes back all the way to what, like 1999? Are you kidding? Alright, let's see if we can break that. You set up an alert on Walmart, man. So we can get a rally here. Oh no, the structure here is all over the place, okay. All over the place. But it's really cool. The heart line, we bounced twice, right? Twice. Okay. It's really nice though, man. You can see that rounding action. Pretty nice rounding action. I ran it probably 88% of the way, right, from your high to low. Oh, God, 88%, man. Like, almost perfectly. Okay, so eventually there's a gap here. That was a nice little breakaway gap that occurred back in August, and we finally filled it in November. No, wait, no, in December, mid-December. That's when we filled that. Oops, excuse me. So no, man, critical areas of resistance right here. Let's fib this real quick. Okay, try to figure out where we are. Okay, the daily. This is definitely a discernible swing high on the daily. All right. So if you're looking at like that, high to low, 78% retrace is where we are, and we actually have rejected it today and closed below it or at it. All right. High to low. That's off just a little bit. Let's see what confluence in. Do we have any confluence? You know, okay, we have confluence up here at right around $98. Okay, we took two different swing highs. Two different swing highs. And it's really like this because that's a. We use candle close to candle close, right? All right. So this swing high and this swing high, and we have the same swing low, and we do that so we can get that confluence, right? So we're really right at one. Okay, we're at a confluence zone between $95 and $96, and there's another one right around $98. Okay, so if you do break this, which is going to be tough, the next area is $97 to $98. Okay, after that though, man, there's nothing really until 98 to 86, and then after this 101, 28, and then you got the 1272, 102.44. Okay, so definitely got. This is like the critical areas, man, and we looked at it other assets too. Critical areas, the whole market. Okay, because remember, if the Dow Jones wants to dump, S&P wants to dump, Walmart's going to go with it. All right, that's it. All right, so let's see. October 5th was when the whole market just collapsed, kind of, for a while. But Walmart just literally inversed that dumpening, the first impulse down, ran up one more leg up before, really just losing stupid amounts of value. It went from a high of 106 all the way to a low of 85. So it was just delayed. All right, so that's great, man. Great news on Walmart. Okay, so anyway, we can get rid of that. It seems like we had any kind of let's try to do something. Okay, I wanted to. You can clearly see on this one, we've already broken out, right? Well beyond being broken out. That down sloping channel, done, son, done. All right, that's it, dude. So, dang, dude. Times are tough, dude. Times are really tough. I mean, we'll have an hour and 15 minutes roughly, and we don't even have 100 likes. It's rough days, man. It's rough days. think people are just tired of my personality. I think that's what it is, man. Because I think there are other channels, TA channels, that are striving on view counts, likes, all that. I think my days are numbered. All right. So it's whatever, dude. All right. Well, it's been a fun show, y'all. All right. It truly has. I guess we can do the local on the 8s. And then I will get out of y'all's hair. All right. Okay, so anyway, broadening bottom on Bitcoin for now is forming. It seems holding support at 35.72. Support we've seen multiple times from, again, 27th of December, the 10th of January, 12th of January. It was at one time a resistance from December 9th, and it really was held as support back when we double bottom. Remember that trade setup was awesome. Okay. So, a pretty critical area here. Don't want to fall below that, because if you do, it normally gets really ugly. Okay, so, hey, we would like it to crack so we could fall down to our entry zone for the bullish Gartley pattern. See if we can take a shot at a low risk, high reward opportunity play. Okay, harmonics. We have not quite reached that level yet, so we're looking for that. That's what's going on. Yeah, Wally World, Mike. Wally World. Just going to chat. What's up, BK, man? All right, man. So, thank y'all for being here. I'll be back tomorrow, right? Thanks so much for the love, support, likes, love, and the contributions, right? So, until next time, respect, T, A.